In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button on Google Sites. Having a WhatsApp button on your site makes it really easy for visitors to contact you directly, whether you're running a business, a portfolio, or a simple information page. I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, and by the end, you'll have a WhatsApp button that looks good and points exactly where you want it to. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Make sure you're on the page where you'd like the WhatsApp button to appear. You should see the Google Sites editor with the content in the middle and your editing tools on the right-hand side. Now look at the right-hand panel and go to the section where you can insert elements. Find and click on the option called Button. This tells Google Sites that you want to add a clickable button rather than just plain text or an image. A small window will pop up asking for two things: the text of the button and the link. In the text field, type what you want the button to say. A simple and clear option is WhatsApp or chat on WhatsApp, so visitors immediately understand what will happen when they click it. Next, click into the link field. Here, you'll decide where that button sends people. Instead of pasting anything external, you can choose one of the pages that already exists on your Google site. For example, you might have a dedicated WhatsApp page that explains how to contact you, or maybe your main contact page already includes your WhatsApp number or a WhatsApp link. Click on the page you want the button to link to so it's selected. Once you've chosen the page, click on Insert. Your new WhatsApp button will appear on the page you're editing. You'll see it as a regular button element that you can now customize. Click on the button itself to open its formatting options. At the top, you'll see a style dropdown, which usually defaults to filled. This gives your button a solid background color. If you prefer a different look, you can switch it to an outline style, where only the border is visible, or to a text style, which removes both the outline and the fill so it looks like clickable text. While the button is selected, you can also drag it to a different position, resize it, or change its alignment so it's left, centered, or right. And if you need more than one WhatsApp button on the page, use the duplicate option. If you no longer need it, simply delete it. That's all you need to add and customize a WhatsApp button on your Google site.